Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Minecraft tutorials, and today we will be doing an AND gate, also a OR gate, because it's easy to explain. And what an AND gate is, if both redstone signals are on, the output will be on, and if one or both is off, the output will be off. And this is how it works. The signal comes through from the levers, gets inverted on both sides, it goes into the same redstone, and that powers a torch. Now let's get to building it. Right, I am back, and this is how you build it. Just have 2 levers. You can even have more if you want, but it'll be a little bit more complicated. Not that much complicated to wire up. So what you need to do is have an output coming from the levers, going up a block while getting inverted. Oops, doesn't know this. Getting inverted by some redstone torches and going into some redstone, and then that redstone goes into a torch. So exactly the same over there. Both inputs are on, and the one output is on, and one or more is off, the output is off. Now let's get onto the OR gate. Now here is the OR gate. It's really simple. Any one of these levers, any input can be on, and then the output is on. That's why it's OR. It's this one or that one, or maybe another one, or another one, or another one, if you want. And if both are off, the signal's off, or if on, if they're on, if one is on, and the rest can be on or off, or on and off, and so on and so on. The output will be on as long as one is on, but if they're all off, the output will be off. It's very simple. You just need to hook up a lever to some redstone and another lever to some redstone, or more. You can have like any levers anywhere, just literally like that. That would work. It's just so simple. And I may even do another one. I mean, I don't even have to explain I barely even have to explain this. Just look. It's the simplest thing in the world. Just leave it here, redstone in the middle, and you're done. And I might actually do something else. A little bit more complicated, but I'm not sure. So I might be back, or I might not. Oh, and just to show another way of making the AND gate, it's like this. Just have some redstone going into a repeater here, like this. So both redstone is going into a repeater, and the redstone comes along into another repeater, which is your output. That's a different way of making an AND gate. Okay, so I'll be ending the episode here. Just Ryan Walker signing off. Bye everybody.